Still haven't deleted the videos I made yesterday, so I'm running a little low on space. That had a very unique startup to it. But yeah, as I was saying, I'm running out of space because I never deleted the videos I made of the GE and the other vintage AC units yesterday. So, because I did, in case something happened to my hard drive, I still wanted to be able to have a backup. So yeah, that was the 04 Carrier starting up. And then he should shut it off momentarily. But yeah, the way I see compressor lockouts, they are a pain in the ass when you're trying to film a unit, but they do a world of good because it protects the compressor from being badly damaged or totally destroyed. Like I said with my friend's heat pump last Thursday, that could be any number of things. Low freon, dirty coil, dirty filter. It's probably just a simple fix because this is one of the best maintained units I've ever seen. I mean, you can see how clean the coil is, and it was installed well. It's just one of those shit happens kind of things that could occur with even the best maintained unit. That would be my guess. There's like a little bit of crap in the condenser coil, but other than that, yeah, like I said, this is one of the best maintained units I've ever seen. And it's 8 years old. Still frosty. Low side. Yeah, the low side. I consider this unit to be all reliable. No frost on the outer coil. Running out of space here, I'm going to have to do some deletions. Okay, good. It didn't shut off while I was deleting files from my SD card. Oh, now it's off. And now the line is all sweaty. That's weird. That's really weird. Yeah, it's not the end of the world if I get it, if I don't get it shutting off. I mean, in my opinion, most air conditioners and heat pumps sound the same when they're shutting off. It just makes like a click or a thunk. The startup is the more interesting sound. I might hang around for a couple more minutes, then I'm out of here. I got stuff to do. Article to write for my college newspaper, I gotta work on another YouTube video. Frost went away. But yeah, this is definitely the way an air conditioner or heat pump should be installed. It's nice and level, plenty of room for airflow and for the technician to access it if service becomes necessary. It's got a disconnect box so you can kill power to the unit to pretty much eliminate the risk of shocking yourself. If anyone could tell me what that freezing was about, that would be great. Alright. Startup of the 2004 Carrier 3-ton heat pump. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out.
This has been a Stamped Octagon production.